Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to buy Davinci Resolve. So to buy Davinci Resolve, I'm going to walk you through a step-to-step guide on how to buy it. So to get started, let's visit the Blackmagic website. So go to the Blackmagic website, then choose the version. So for the version, just click on download under the Davinci Resolve. So for studio version, just click on buy now and under the Davinci Resolve studio. Then after that, add to cart. Then for the studio version, add it to your cart and proceed to checkpoint. Then complete your purchase. Then enter your payment details and complete the purchase. You will receive a license key for the studio version. Then download the software. After that, download the Davinci Resolve from the website. Then install the software. Then follow the installation instruction to set up Davinci Resolve on your computer. Then after that, activate the software. Open the Davinci Resolve and enter the license key for studio version. And you will all set and enjoy your new video editing software. And that's a simple guide on how to buy Davinci Resolve on the Blackmagic website. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more content like this. Thank you.